In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram calls stuck on exchanging encryption keys on Android. This usually happens when Telegram can't properly establish a secure connection due to network issues, VPNs, or app cache problems. First, disable peer-to-peer calls. Open Telegram and go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Calls. Find Use Peer-to-Peer With and set it to Nobody or Never. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you are using. These can block the connection Telegram needs for calls, so try placing the call again after disabling them. If it still doesn't work, clear Telegram cache. Long press the Telegram app, tap App Info, go to Storage and select Clear Cache. If needed, you can also try Clear Data, but you will have to log in again. You should also check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your connection to make sure it's stable. If nothing works, update Telegram from the Google Play Store or reinstall the app to fix any deeper bugs. That's it. Your Telegram call should now connect without getting stuck on encryption keys. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.